It is not mandatory as far as the divorce matter is concerned. You can simply process your issues through an attorney and your spouse's attorney. The only time that it is mandatory is when you are going through the process through the court system. They have you make many stops along the way to try to settle your case. And during the divorce process, you attend what's called an early settlement panel, and that's an opportunity for attorneys who volunteer their time to make recommendations to you and your spouse. If that doesn't work, the court will then send you to what's called mandatory economic mediation, and that is where an individual is chosen by you and your spouse through your attorneys to help you work out only the economic issues. It doesn't deal with custody or parenting time. So when the question is asked, do you have to go to mediation? If you're in the divorce process and you filed for divorce, you would end up needing to go to economic mediation if you can't resolve your financial issues prior to that. But with respect to your children, you do have an opportunity to use the courthouse parenting mediation program, which is free of charge. You also have an opportunity to work it out between yourselves. You can go to a mediator, a private mediator, to help you work out custody and parenting time, but it's not mandatory. Ultimately, if you wanted to, you could bring your issues before a judge, and then the judge would decide your issues of custody and parenting time. But understand that if a judge is going to make those decisions, they are going to require that you have an expert provide a report on what is in the best interests of the child. It would not be based solely on your testimony or the testimony of your spouse. It would be much more, it would be a better result if you have experts involved. So that also gets very, very expensive. So you do not have to go to mediation, but it certainly is beneficial to go to mediation.